Hey guys, welcome back to a new episode of Viral Science Videos Debunked. Alright, so let's get into it. So as you can see, the guy has a metal bulb and he's dipping it into something that looks like water, either hot or cold. Actually it's cold water, because what just happened is that when the guy dipped the metal bulb into the water, the cold water, he was able to make it pass through the hole in the thing that he's holding into his hand. So it's actually cold water. But why? Well, did you know that metals actually expand when they're heated and they contract when they're cooled? That's what happened here. So the cold water actually reduced the size of the metal bulb and it allowed it to pass through the hole that otherwise it wouldn't have been able to pass through. So actually, if the guy hits up the bulb, it actually wouldn't pass through the opening. So yeah, this is thermal expansion of metals here. Alright, so fun fact. This is actually why we could use an iron without burning our clothes when we're actually ironing them. Inside of the iron, there is a bimetallic strip that allows the iron to only stay around a certain temperature, which is the temperature that you would set it to. So this bimetallic strip is actually made out of two metals. One expands more than the other, so when the iron gets sufficiently hot, the metal that expands quicker to a change in temperature will actually bend more, and so then it will break the contact inside of the the circuitry. Now when the iron starts to get cool, because you're ironing and the heat is being absorbed by the clothes and then it's being lost, etc., the metal now will contract and then it will connect back with the circuit. So thermal expansion is actually very important in our everyday life. But another fun fact, thermal expansion is actually not good in some cases. For example, in construction, thermal expansion of metals, for example, in bridges and other structures could be very catastrophically dangerous. I don't even think that's a real word, but that sounds good. If this is not taken into account when the engineers are actually building these big structures, this could cause lots of problems. But thermal expansion is just a nice physics thing that I love. Alright guys, so thank you for watching this video, and remember, if you have any videos that you would like me to share, explain, be sure to send me them via my social media handles. And if you like this video, please like it, subscribe to it for more, and share it with anyone else who loves science. This is Everyday Life Science. Thank you for watching. Earlier on in this video, I spoke about thermal expansion. This is a very interesting and important topic in engineering and science. So I would be creating a short video explaining thermal expansion in more detail. So remember, subscribe to the channel if you would like to see this video and you would like to see more in future.